So I'm going to go for a wander around this French car show and see what beautiful baguettes there are. I love your hat. Yeah. Very in keeping. My absolute favourite car of this show, Mark 1 Twingo. Only one there. I do love a Twingo, guilty pleasure. Had one fairly recently, did a track day in it. A little bit underpowered for what it was. Ooh, there's loads of them over here though. Yeah, mate. Is this yours? It's quality, man. I love things like this. What was it, a 182 motor? Yeah. Awesome. Proper clean, isn't it? Daily driver? No. Far too clean for that.
Yeah, definitely not.
What did it start life as then? Just a normal panel van?
Just a normal 1.2. Yeah, 1.2 van and then being converted.
Is it a fairly straightforward swap? Yeah. No, it's alright. Just been speaking to Ben, who owns this beautiful van. Doesn't want to talk to me on camera. I think he's wanted by Crime Watch. Crime's the Kangoo vans. It's got a 182 motor in. It's proper clean. Original colour. Obviously, it's got PBS brake pads in as well. Just been talking to him about them. Legend. Funny getting recognised at car shows. Some lad just running after me then going, the sun has returned. October, usually freezing. We had a storm last week. The UK is absolutely crazy for weather at the moment. So stormy last weekend, frosty the other morning. Look at it now. Mint. Let's see if anything sparks me fancy. That's cool. As you'll probably know, I'm a sucker for a Clio 200. That's questionable though. 197/200, whatever they're called. Awesome. Do love these. Gearbox is made of cheese though. What do we think? Old versus a little bit newer. Do love this shape. I hate mine in black. Wish it was white. Such an oddball car, the V6. Would you? Should you? How fat they are from the rear. This looks really clean, to be fair. I don't think they're standard lights either. Those lights look much better. Ooh, now we're talking. Twizy. Do fancy one of these for daily duties. Should I? Look at it. Ooh, and a yellow Peugeot 406. Yes, look at this. My mate's dad's got one of these. One of them. Arguably better than a Clio. Arguably better than a Twingo RS. Roof comes off. Same engine. Same fun. Cheap as well. Renault Wind for anyone who doesn't have a clue what these are. And a Mark 1 Twingo. Can't help but love these. Look at the lights on it. They're cute. Liquid yellow. Mega colour in the sun. So considering it's a French car show, I think a lot of them must have broken down on the way here because it's not that busy. That Twizy is cool. New shape Megane, love or hate. I think they're proper cool myself, but I've had quite a few problems with them. No real world experience myself, so don't quote me on it, but yeah, I've seen a few things. Classic Megane shape. 250. Listen, it doesn't matter what you drive. I know I'm joking about French cars and all that, but I have one myself, so I feel like I'm entitled to do that. Whatever car you love, don't you? Ooh, another yellow car. I think we just like yellow. White wheels, good combo. Quickie lid. Peekaboo. Dimmer kit, anyone? Here we are. This belongs over in the paddock. Far too clean though, isn't it? Look at that. White wheels. Madman. What a cool livery though. Old school. Some big old brakes hard behind them. Nice and clean. Peugeot RCZ. Alternative to a TT, would you? They're quite cool myself. And another yellow car. This guy's got a big neck apparently. Big neck. I'm a fan of these Alpines as well, proper cool looking things. Megane RS engine, little 1.8. Look good, don't they? Not seen one in that orange before, looks beautiful. There's two of them. Right, I need to talk about these things. I think I have a problem. I like an EV. Probably not in black. Black's not my favourite colour. They do a Boss Blue one that I've seen floating around. Love or hate them. That was no below. Right, this from the outside looks like a Peugeot 106, and essentially it is, with drum brakes. However, if you look in the boot, that might be a little hint to what's inside. So we have a Hayabusa powered 106. Revs to 1300 RPM, built on his driveway apparently. But that sounds awesome. Ooh. Another yellow car. Hang on a minute, what's going on here? What is going on here? Cheeky. It's more like it, isn't it? That's what we like to see. Very unassuming car. Rear wheel drive, as the registration plate tells you, but yeah, the engine facing that way, you know it is, don't you? Little spot of rust there. I always wanted a GTI when I was younger. Never had one. Still think the itch needs to be scratched. That's really clean for its age. Here we are, here we are. I bet that sounds absolutely glorious. See one of these as well. I was only looking at the Renault 5 because I like the green, but this is really, really nice. Just had a sit in one of those Alpines. I wanted to hate it, but I think the interior quality is really good on it, and I can imagine myself having one on the daily. Watch the space. No Silverstone Twingos here today. Should have kept mine, shouldn't I? I'll have a float your boat. That's enough Frenchness for one day. Back to some race cars. Do love a good car park fan though.